ready for my debut. Wait. No. Okay. Okay. This is the real one. Sack up fat. It's good, but no. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Courtney. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I just want to show you how I achieved this hairstyle. So if you like it, just keep watching. That was it, girl. That was it. I did that.
All right, let's get right into it. So first thing you'll need is a wig cap. I decided to use the Crochet Wig cap, and I got that from my local beauty supply store. Then the hair I decided to use for today was the Motown Tress Ringlet Wand Curl in 9 inches. And I got it in the color 4 and 2. I only needed 1 pack, guys, so you don't need 2. Then I have my crochet hook, which I had lying around already, and then my wig clips and or combs. Take a look at this hair. This hair is so pretty and super bouncy, and that's what I wanted. I wanted when I walked and I turned my head, my hair would be bouncing, and it does, girl. Okay, so first thing you want to do is split the hair in half. And when you're doing this, try and be super careful with the curl pattern so that it doesn't get frizzy at the end. It got a little frizzy, but it's okay, girl. It's still gonna look good. Okay, so I did a couple off camera, but first thing you want to do is put the crochet hook through the net, place the hair on the hook, and then pull it through the little hole there, and then you'll get a loop, a little loop at the top there, which I'll show you. Yep, and you pull the ends of the hair through that little loop. Just like that. And what I'm doing right now, I pulled it through twice so that it could be extra tight, but after wearing this hair a couple of times, trust me, you don't need to pull it through the hole twice. Once is good enough. So then I grab the ends of the hair and I just tug it so that I can tighten that little knot that I made there. And there you go, there's one. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one. So I grab the hair, and then I place the hook through the net, like so. Place the hair on the hook, close the hook, pull it through the net, and what you got on the other side, you have a little loop. You pull the rest of the hair through that loop, and you can decide if you want to do it once or twice, but clearly in this one I was just like, yeah, I don't think I need to do that. So I just pulled the 2 opposite ends just to tighten that loop, and it looks secure. There you go. Nice. Look at that bounce. Okay, so now I'm going to keep doing that, and then I will be right back when I have something else to inform you guys about. So just keep watching. Okay, so guys, one thing I wanted to point out is I am spacing out my hair so that it's not all clumped in the same area. Like the spacing, as you can see, they're not all super close to each other, and that still gives it a really full appearance to the hair. Still looks really nice and super full, and that's because it's curly hair. The curly hair, it's thick and voluminous and lusciously beautiful. So you don't have to place the hair super close to each other. Alright, so I've reached the top of my head, and I'm going to tip the mannequin down so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing there. But as you can see, there's like a lot of space there at the top. My hand. There we go. So there's a lot of space there at the top, but I'm just about done. This is like the last or second to last one I'll put in. Just to do it again, I have the loop. I pull the hair through the loop. If you want to do the double knot, this is what I did to get that. And then I just tugged the opposite end to tighten it. And there you go. And look how it laid. It just laid exactly where I needed it to lay down. But this is about it. You do not, if you want, you can fill in the rest of that space at the top if you want to make this a full wig and then have a little bit of leave out in the front of your hair. But this is how I decided to wear it. I didn't want it to be too bulky at the top of my head or at the back of my head where I'm placing this wig, and so I didn't fill it in as much. But feel free to do that if you want to make it a full wig. But yes, look at this hair. It's super cute. It's so bouncy and so pretty. Guys, this footage right here is recorded a year later. So I've had this wig for a year, and look at it. It is still beautiful, still bouncy, and still luscious. I'm just going to show you how I install it because I didn't get to do that after I recorded the footage last year. But it's okay, girl. 2020, we got new things we're trying to do, and so that's what we're doing. And so inside, I already sewed in the combs. I decided to go with the combs instead of the clips. And so what I do to prep my hair, this is my sister's head, by the way. I am the one doing it, but I braided her hair up. So since the hair is super curly, it doesn't matter what your foundation is underneath the wig, because the curls just cover that up, we thank God. But yes, so I braided up her hair, and I'm just gonna tuck in her ends and to make it a little tiny bun so that I could place the wig over it. But yeah, it's super easy to install, which is what I love. I love just throwing it on and then just taking care of the front of my hair. And girl, when I tell you the amount of questions and girl, I love your hair, how'd you do it? I'm telling you, this hair, oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people asking you how you did it, and you know, can you hook them up? But I got y'all. Send them over here. All right, so I'm installing the wig. All I did was take one of the combs and I put it at the top of her head, and now I'm doing the same thing for the sides because I have combs in all 4 locations. I have it at the top, the 2 sides, as well as the bottom. Now I'm taking the outermost part of the hair, if that makes sense. So I'm grabbing the topmost part of the hair like so, and this is why this is the loosest part of the hair. I grab it and I'm going to, if her hair wasn't already in Bantu knots, I would have just combined the 2 hairs together and formed a Bantu knot, and that just kind of blends the wig with your hair so that you can't see the outer part of the wig cap. And I'm going to do the same thing on the sides. So I take a piece of hair and I wrap it around her Bantu knot. Just grabbed the frontmost piece, fluffed it out after I wrapped it around the Bantu knot. And I did the same thing to the other side, but y'all get the point. And look at this hair. Guys, this is a year later. I'm gonna have her shake her head. You're gonna see the bounce still. It's still there. And I feel like the older it gets, the cuter it gets, because it's just like so carefree and just so cute. I love it. Look at that bounce. Look at that movement.
If you stayed here this long, listen, you're a real one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and please like, comment, say something nice, okay? I hope to see you guys back here. Tell me what you would like to see next, and then I will see if I can make it happen. Alright? And I'll be back. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope to see you back here on my channel to come and kick it with me. Thanks for cooling it with me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, just, oh, I forgot to put my lip gloss.